wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mujahid and I'm here to share you about tips about how to economize during a pandemic COVID. First of all, as you know that in order to protect ourselves during pandemic, we need to one of the thing we need to do is to wash our hand. Wash our hand repeatedly and wash our hand meticulously. I said it 3 times because it's important to you to remember wash your hand. In order for our hand to clean from virus of corona, we need to wash our hand using hand soap. Because if we only using a plain water to wash our hand, there is no guarantee that our hands is clean from virus. But in order to repeatedly, meticulously and carefully wash our hand every day, the amount of hand soap we use daily is very large, and this make our expenditure to buy a large amount of hand soap is very big. But we still need to spend this money because we need to buy large amount hand soap to protect ourselves. Furthermore, everyone else is also using large amount of hand soap daily, so the price of hand soap in the market right now is ever increasing, and there is no guarantee that if we find a cheap product we can get authentic hand soap, because more often than not, if we buy hand soap from local market with cheap price, there is no guarantee of there is no trusted guarantee of that product is genuine article, because in fact hand soap, only small amount of soap is mixed with a large amount of water and a chemical to make the liquid more thick and more viscous, so it appears that the hand soap is authentic, because regular people only know authentic hand soap is very thick and viscous, because that will make that product appear more authentic. But in truth, that product is only small amount of soap, large amount of water, and something to thicken it. So the advice I want to give you, the tips I want to give you about to economize is how we can buy large amount of hand soap using quite cheap price. The solution I want to give you is to buy base foundation. This base foundation I often call paste, or in Indonesian I call it pasta. This is the product. This is a base foundation about for making a hand soap. Base foundation of or paste. Base foundation is something like from factory you process the raw material from factory to make this base foundation, and then you make a hand soap from this base foundation. If you still confused about what is base foundation, you can understand it like this. Base foundation is something like instant noodle or dried noodle, because if we want to eat fried noodle, we don't need to make ourselves noodle from wheat, because we can get instant noodle or dried noodle in the market. So it's something like that. raw ingredient in factory to make this, and we using this to make a finished hand soap. So back again using pasta, I use this particular product because this hand soap is made using raw material, natural raw material without chemical, and very good for environment and our skin. Because when I repeatedly, meticulously and carefully wash my hand, I often feel my skin is molted and irritated. So I often find other product that can make up my skin not irritated. Because I go to the doctor and doctor give me solution to find other hand soap product. Because from the doctor I get advice that my skin is very sensitive to the chemical. So because chemical often contain heavy chemical and large amount of heavy metal. So I choose the product that have natural raw ingredient. This product is also good for environment without pollutant chemical. So if even more so during pandemic we use large amount, because if large amount of waste is pouring using chemical, it will make our environment more polluted. Maybe this particular product is more expensive, but what's more about 10,000 more rupiah, because in order to protect our health there is no need to cheapen about 10,000 more, because heavy metal, because heavy chemical will build up metal toxin in our body. Back again, in order to use this product, we only need to add this base foundation and about 4 liter of water and then mix it. It's very simple. It's like a cooking instant noodle. You just need pour hot water in the instant noodle. For this hand soap, you only need to pour about 4 liter of water and then mix it. The only need equipment to make a hand soap. This is a liter cup of size. This is a plastic spatula and a bucket. We only need this to make our hand soap. First, I need to pour about 4 liter of water in this. After you pour about 4 liter of water in this, then open the pasta. I call it pasta in Indonesia. I pour this foundation. I use this spatula to mix it. You need to be patient and mix it using some amount of force. There is no need to hurry. You need to mix it to make the liquid look more homogeneous. It's very easy to understand. Just stir the bucket more and more and more. You need to do this. After I stir and mix in the bucket, look at this. This is a semi-finished product. You need to mix it until it became like this. After you see this look homogeneous. After it look like this, touch the bottom of the bucket using spatula and there is no residue. This look like good. So because mixing causing a bubble, we need to let this solution overnight. We need to let it rest and you need to let this solution rest overnight. Just store it in the room with room temperature. There is no problem. This is already morning and this is how it looks like after a night of rest. This you can already use this for hand soap, but I will also package it in the bottle. You can already package it in a bottle. Then you can get a good quality of hand soap with cheap price. I don't want to name a fixed price, but this is compared to a trusted brand of hand soap. This is already about 70% cheaper. That's all. I hope my advice to economies during pandemic is useful for you. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.